Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do something a little bit different and draw like stimming toys. The way how I got this idea was because a guy in our class used stimming toys and he was nice enough to let us use them sometimes. So starting off, I wanted to show, this is the first one I'm drawing, but it's like pink and purple instead of like all the other colors that's up there. I personally like this one because of how bendy it was, and it also kept me entertained for a good bit. The only thing though is that it gets quite repetitive after like a few moments, like after like you realize that's everything to do with it. It becomes like a little boring to play with and you're just holding it for some reason. So for this art I wanted to definitely like show how I wanted to give him like a different body, because the snake is like able to move in like different ways, frontward or backwards, and that's just what I wanted to do. For the outfit, I went with like a simple jeans and t-shirt, and I decided to add a cute little snake on the shirt because the toy is very bendy. I gave the hair short and wild like a snake would be. I just really wanted to give them everything that was like relative to a snake, but I know that they're not one. For the earrings and eventually necklace, I made like the earrings and necklace the actual toy. I gave them wiggly eyebrows to go with the toy as well. For the drawing, I decided to give the character vitiligo, basically because the toy is two different colors, and it just makes it look an absolute cool toy, so I thought, let's not try that on a human. Of course, it is different in some way, shape, or form, but I decided in a small way they're cute and similar, so. Like I said before, the toy was fun, but it did get repetitive. So this is not my favorite one of the three, toy-wise or drawing-wise. I do like the drawing, but there's definitely like more like to keep me more, I guess, entertained. Next is a classic puppet, but it's like in the shape of a star. For this puppet, it was like yellow, obviously, to go with all the stars themes. So basically, what you see later, I would try to keep all the colors themed to yellow. In the sketch, I tried to make their outfit look like they had like little poppet bowls on their outfits. This got really boring really fast. Poppets are boring. Eventually, once you pop them all once and you realize you have to like keep redoing them again, they get super boring. So yeah, poppets are definitely not my favorite. I did like the drawing though. I definitely wanted to go more of a plus size character, especially for like a star. You know, the star things are pretty round and like they're pretty adorable, and like they have like their own different colors and everything. One thing I definitely liked about this character was the shading, mainly because obviously unlike the others, it all helps like a cohesive theme, and I really just wanted to make the art look like, you know, a cute little puppet. The the sleeves didn't turn out exactly how I wanted to, but I overall liked it. For the shading for the shirt, I couldn't go darker, so I got to go like give someplace lighter highlight. It's something I usually do for like clothing that's like way too dark. I just make the highlight look a little bit brighter. The pants I absolutely liked. The shoes were okay. The belt definitely could use more work. I decided to, as you can see, I added the poppets in the hair, and I just wanted to make the outfit look cohesive. Lastly is my favorite, a rainbow slug. For this one, I definitely wanted to try something different and use perspective art. I just wanted to make the character looking like they're turning their back towards you, but like they're just noticing you standing there. Rainbow slugs are pretty cool. I like how fun they are. They do make a lot of sound though, so if you're like trying to like be to yourself quietly, would not recommend a rainbow slug. But overall, they're pretty fun. For this character, I decided to just make them like a rainbow color character that wear like a lot of layers of clothing, just like a slug. Like in the slug toy has like different like layers of color, and I just decided to add slugs on her body, as you can see later on. For the outfit, which I know is hard to see from behind, I decided I was wearing like a small jacket, a sweater, an actual like longer t-shirt. They're wearing like a green belt, a skirt, and I was wearing jeans along with to go on top of their shoes. I did this so that they can have like many layers of clothing for each of the rainbow. Even still after that, I decided to make the hair also rainbow, so the hair didn't just look so stale and just be one color, especially because of a slug has so many colors on the toy, so. To be honest, this was my favorite drawing because of the shading. There were so many different layers to shade and everything was so different, and I just cutely like rainbows, obviously. Overall, I really do like this drawing because of its like how different it is from my normal ones. I try to work on perspective drawing a lot in my videos, and so I just hope they're getting better, but to me it's slowly progressing. But alright, that's going to do it for Drawing STEM Toys videos. If you have anything to say, please comment down below. If you also see, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.